Hi, I'm Miriam. This is Taffy, and she's going to show us really quick how to make the Snickerdoodle hot cereal.
Hey Miriam. This recipe is really super simple, super easy, and great if you want a hot breakfast, or it could be lunch, that is made with simple ingredients that in theory you could keep at your desk. Or, you know, I used to take the packets of hot oatmeal, this instant oatmeal with me. The theory, this is like instant oatmeal, but it's better for you and it tastes better. I am using Snickerdoodle, but you could use any flavor that you like, you know, strawberry, hot cereal, whatever you know, obviously pumpkin spice would be good.
Oh yeah.
Toffee, salted caramel, the list goes on and on. So we're gonna use Snickerdoodles, and we've got some heated heavy cream as and butter will be our fats, and some hot water that we heated just to a simmer. But again, we heated these in the microwave, you could just heat these in the microwave.
Then if you're at work.
Exactly. So this is a great desk lunch, or breakfast, or camping, or hiking, or when you need something really convenient but you want to eat with a spoon, as some people would say. So I have got here 6 ounces of water and 2 ounces of heavy cream that we've heated to a simmer. I've got a packet of Snickerdoodle Keto Chow, so that's 1 scoop. And we're going to add in ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons. You could also use ground chia seed. That'll give it a little body, and a tablespoon of coconut flour.
Nice.
And then we're going to mix that together. Let me bring it this way. And you could pre-mix this and carry it in a packet, or a little bag, or a little container, just in your bowl with a lid on it, so you're just ready to go. It calls for either nuts, seeds, or nut butter. We're going to use the nut butter, so I'm going to mix that in after I mix in the liquid, but you could just throw your favorite nuts or seeds in here too. And like I said, you could have it ready to go. You could make multiple amounts, and the kids can just come in the kitchen and grab it, make themselves breakfast. It'll look like a lot of liquid at first, but it'll start to thicken up as you stir.
And you're using a regular old spoon?
And I'm using a regular old spoon. Nothing fancy about this, and it's gonna go quick.
Which just proves that kids can make it.
Kids, you can make this. Don't
got
ask
this.
mom, make it yourself.
Yeah, in fact, make it for
Make
her.
it for mom, make her feel good. She does so much for you.
Yeah, put it on a tray and bring it up to her in bed.
Carefully.
But don't spill it.
Very carefully. Maybe put it in the thermos and put the lid on.
Yeah.
All right. So see, as it's you know, like almost like, remember Malto-meal texture, and as it sits, it actually thickens up more. So we're gonna just stir in our butter.
Butter's the best part.
Butter's the best part.
So good.
So the beauty of this is your cream and your butter are already inside. You don't even have to top it. And we're gonna stir in this is almond butter. Anything you'd like. If you need to keep it nut-free, sunflower butter or toasted seeds. And that's it.
Yummy.
I like to not stir the butter in 100%, so you get little nice melted butter blobs.
Yeah, that looks fancy.
Yeah, see?
Looks like you made your oatmeal and.
So if you've been missing hot cereal, this is a super simple hot cereal, and the nice thing about it is, unlike a typical hot cereal, it's full of, even a typical keto hot cereal, it's full of protein. You know, so you've got a full meal because you've made it with your Keto Chow and all your fats and all your healthy stuff. So you got a full meal, you're ready to go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Thank you.